In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift oil pressure thread adapter into the low oil pressure system of your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. Start by removing the air intake box using a screwdriver. Remove the air intake pipe from the turbo using a flathead screwdriver. Using a pick tool, release the clip for the low side oil pressure switch directly in front of the turbo and unplug the harness. Connect the single wire of the harness to a grounding source to ensure the oil warming light is off. Be sure to secure with zip ties. Using a 1/1/16 inch socket with an extension, remove the low side oil pressure switch. Thread the oil pressure sensor into the adapter and tighten it with 14mm and 22mm wrenches. Thread the sensor and adapter assembly into the port and tighten them with a 22mm socket and extension. Plug the oil pressure sensor harness into the oil pressure sensor and run the opposite end to the firewall. Be sure to keep it away from heat and moving parts by securing the harness with zip ties. Reinstall the air intake pipe and air box. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift oil pressure thread adapter and sensor into your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.